Ayo Africa, from Mauritius to every African soul around the world, take my hand, nous lever ensemble. One love, one love, one love, one love, one respect, one people, one destiny, one love. Whoa. Ooh, yeah, yeah. One love. Ooh, yeah, yeah. One people. Hey. Why, yeah, 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 yeah. Why, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. From the mountains of Kenya to the shores of Mauritius, from Ghana to Jamaica, Africa still lives inside us. They try to divide us by borders, by color, religion and pain, but the blood of our ancestors still runs inside our veins. Who are we? Children of the earth. What do we want? Love and unity. Who protects life? The people together. People together. Take my hand, my brother. Take my hand, my sister. Let us walk into the future together. Oh, one land, one heart, one Africa, forever. Respect nature, respect life, respect your creation forever. The river is our mother. The ocean is our prayer. The forest is our temple. And the earth must feel our care. Because nature is sacred. And life is not for sale. No more poison in our waters. No more children in jail. To every African child, never forget who you are. You come from kings, you come from queens, you come from survivors, you come from dreamers. Africa is not weak. Africa is awakening. Oh, take my hand, my brother. Take my hand, my sister. Mauritius sending love across the world. From the islands to the mainland, we rise together as one people. One love, one respect, one human family forever. One love, one love, one people. Africa, 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 Africa. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise. Hey! Mauritius, Mauritius, Africa, Africa, Mauritius, Africa, Mauritius, Mauritius. To the world, love is the golden rule. Mauritius.